Hello YouTube. It is Burbazooka. Why garlic must be part of your winter diet, scientists called benefits. Usually garlic is used to accentuate the taste of dishes and give them a spicy pungency. Garlic also has a number of health benefits. It contains manganese, selenium, fiber, copper, potassium, iron and vitamins B6 and C. Garlic also has antioxidant and antimicrobial properties. Research has shown that garlic helps control blood glucose and blood pressure. The versatility of garlic makes it easy to add to your diet, and here's why you should do it this winter. Garlic is beneficial for diabetes. Diabetes requires constant monitoring of blood sugar levels. A healthy and balanced diet can help. Studies have shown that raw garlic can also help lower blood sugar levels. Garlic can help lower bad cholesterol levels. Including garlic in your diet can help promote heart health. Garlic can lower levels of bad blood cholesterol, which is deposited in the walls of arteries and restricts blood flow. Garlic helps fight cold symptoms. Thanks to its antibacterial properties, garlic can help relieve symptoms of colds and flu. You can pour boiling water over some garlic and ginger and sweeten it with honey when the first signs of a cold appear. Garlic helps control blood pressure. High blood pressure significantly increases the risk of heart disease. According to research, garlic lowers blood pressure. Make a fiber-rich salad and add some minced garlic to it. You can also add garlic to your soups and other homemade meals. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.